To drill a hole in the wall, it's important to choose the right drill bit. Use a drywall bit for sheetrock or plasterboard, a masonry bit for brick, stone, or concrete, and a spur point bit for wood. If the wall is glass, tile, or ceramic, you'll need a special tile bit. To avoid electric lines, be careful not to drill directly above or below any outlets or light switches. Use a stud finder to locate a wooden beam before drilling into sheetrock, especially if you want the drill hole to support anything heavy. Mark the spot where you want to drill with a pencil. Mark the depth of the hole you want to make on your drill bit with a piece of masking tape. Finally, put on safety goggles and a dust mask. Place the drill bit against the mark. Hold the drill straight and press firmly while squeezing the trigger. Keep drilling until you reach the desired depth, then ease off on the trigger a bit and pull the drill back out while it's still running. If you're using an anchor, tap it into the hole with a rubber mallet. Otherwise, insert your screw or hook directly into the hole with a screwdriver.